Hey campers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the 5 best Naturehike tents for every type of outdoor adventure. Whether you're a solo backpacker or camping with family, Naturehike has a tent designed to meet your needs. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Naturehike Camping Tent CNK 2300Z24. First up, let's talk portability. This tent weighs only 2.3 kg without accessories, making it perfect for those who like to travel light. It packs down neatly into a compact storage bag, so you can throw it in your backpack and head out on your adventure without feeling weighed down. Whether you're trekking through the mountains or camping by the lake, the Naturehike tent is designed for easy transport and quick setup. The Naturehike tent is built tough with 7001 aluminum poles that not only keep the tent lightweight but also offer incredible strength. Its past wind resistance tests up to Class 7, so you know it's ready to handle windy conditions. These cross poles provide a stable, self-supporting structure, making setup quick and easy, even for solo campers. One of the best features is 360-degree panoramic mesh that offers beautiful, unobstructed views of your surroundings. Not only does it bring the outdoors in, but the inner tent is also ventilated to keep air flowing while keeping bugs out. On top of that, the fabric has a silver-coated lining for UPF 50+ sun protection, effectively blocking harmful UV rays so you can camp in confidence. Let's talk about rain. The Naturehike tent uses high-quality 210T polyester fabric with a waterproof rating of over 2,000 mm, so it's ready to handle heavy rain without a hitch. Plus, the reinforced Oxford bottom adds an extra layer of durability and water resistance. With this tent, you won't have to worry about leaks or a soaked interior when the weather turns rough. Naturehike didn't skimp on the details. The tent includes ventilation windows to keep air circulating, convenient hooks for hanging lights or gear, and reflective strips to ensure you can easily spot your tent in low light conditions. These thoughtful features make camping more comfortable and help keep everything organized and accessible. So, the Naturehike Camping Tent, a fantastic blend of portability, durability, and protection. Whether you're heading into the mountains, the woods, or the beach, this tent is designed to handle it all. Number 4. Naturehike Gym's Gear 4-Season Tent. The Naturehike Gym's Gear tent is built with ultralight materials that don't compromise on durability. The outer fly is made from 15D nylon with a silicone coating, offering excellent waterproof performance with a PU 3000 mm+ rating. It's super lightweight, weighing just 5.3 pounds, which makes it perfect for solo winter camping or any season. And with the tent bottom made of 20D nylon with silicone coating, you get even more waterproof protection, rated at an impressive PU 4000 mm+. No more worrying about wet floors, even in the harshest conditions. One of the standout features of the Gym's Gear tent is its versatility. It's a true 4-season tent. Thanks to the stove jack, you can use a camping stove inside to keep warm during cold weather. It's the perfect hot tent for winter camping. But it's not just for winter. The inner tent is detachable, and you can remove it entirely, transforming the tent into a lightweight shelter or canopy for those warmer months. Whether you're braving the cold or enjoying the summer sun, this tent adapts to your needs. This is a large one-person tent that still has plenty of space for comfort. The inner tent measures 80.7 inches long by 49.2 inches wide, with a height of 41.3 inches, giving you ample room to sleep comfortably, even with some extra gear. And the outer tent is even larger, measuring 120.5 by 86.6 by 53.1 inches. That's plenty of room for 2 people, plus camping cots, a stove, and even a table and chairs. You'll have all the space you need for a cozy camping experience. When it comes to stability, this tent has you covered. The cross-windproof structure, combined with 7001 aluminum alloy poles, ensures that the tent stands firm even in windstorms or heavy rain. You won't have to worry about it collapsing or shifting during bad weather. The high-quality fabric, strong poles, and clever design keep the tent stable and secure, offering peace of mind during any adventure. The Naturehike Gym's Gear tent is designed for easy setup. With everything from the lightweight materials to the quick pitch design, it's straightforward to assemble. Even if you're out in the cold or rain, you'll be able to get your shelter up in no time. So, the Naturehike Gym's Gear 4-Season Tent. With its lightweight, waterproof materials, versatile design, and spacious interior, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to camp year-round. Whether you're heading into the winter wilderness or just want a reliable shelter for all seasons, this tent has you covered. Number 3. Naturehike Aries B-Tunnel Tent NH22Y5. The Naturehike Aries B-Tunnel Tent is here to provide you with everything you need for a comfortable and safe camping experience, whether you're out in the wild or at your favorite campsite. Made from durable 210T polyester fabric, this tent is built to last and keep you protected. With a UPF 50+ sunproof rating, you'll stay cool and shaded from harsh UV rays, even during long days in the sun. Designed for 4 to 6 people, the Naturehike Aries B-Tunnel Tent offers a spacious 640 by 330 by 205 cm layout, ensuring plenty of room for the whole family or your friends. Plus, with multiple expansion options, you can adapt the tent to fit your needs and space. Inside, you'll find a 1-bedroom, 1-living room designed perfect for privacy and comfort. The breathable mesh double doors and windows provide excellent airflow, keeping the interior cool and fresh even during warm nights. Rainy weather? No problem. With a 2000mm waterproof rating, the Naturehike Aries B-Tunnel Tent keeps you dry and secure no matter the conditions. Its sturdy aluminum alloy poles and durable materials ensure you can withstand the elements. When the adventure is over, packing up is easy. The tent comes with a convenient storage bag, and its compact size of 72 by 37 by 33 centimeters makes it easy to store and carry, weighing just 17 kg including all accessories. The Naturehike Aries B-Tunnel Tent includes everything you need to set up camp: 24 nails, 10 ropes, 7 poles, a tent strapping, and a convenient storage bag, all packed together for hassle-free setup. Whether you're embarking on a family camping trip or enjoying the great outdoors with friends, the Naturehike Aries B-Tunnel Tent offers a spacious, durable, and reliable shelter. Easy to set up, easy to store, and built to withstand the elements. Number 2. Naturehike Extended Tunnel Tent 4-Season NH20Z15. The Naturehike Extended Tunnel Tent is a robust, versatile, 4-season tent designed to keep you and your group comfortable in any environment. With space for up to 6 people, this tent is perfect for families or larger camping groups. Let's take a look at its features. First off, the Naturehike Tunnel Tent is big. With dimensions of 845 by 435 by 220 centimeters and a 20 square meter front hall, there's plenty of room for everyone. It has 2 sleeping areas and a large living room, so whether you're gathering, dining, or relaxing, there's space for it all. Built to withstand the elements, this tent is crafted from 150D encrypted Oxford cloth with a 3000mm waterproof index, meaning it can handle rainstorms without a hitch. Plus, silver coating technology offers UPF 50+ UV protection to shield you from harsh sun rays, protecting you and your gear from UV damage. The double door design gives you easy access while keeping bugs and debris out, thanks to the inner gauze door. It's a smart, practical setup that makes your camping experience comfortable and convenient. Naturehike includes everything you need in the package: luminous steel nails, support rods, wind ropes, and curved ground nails for added stability in windy conditions. The 300D polyester Oxford cloth ground adds a durable layer beneath your tent, ensuring protection against wear and tear. Another great feature is the multiple expansion methods. You can set it up in a variety of ways to adapt to your surroundings, whether you're setting up on a sunny day or bracing for windy weather. This adaptability makes it the ideal tent for all 4 seasons. And for those looking for extra entertainment, the front hall even has a 16:9 screen cloth perfect for projecting movies under the stars. Just set up your projector and enjoy movie nights in the wilderness. So, the Naturehike Extended Tunnel Tent NH20Z15 combines durability, space, and versatility for an all-in-one camping solution. Whether you're in the mountains, by the lake, or on a beach, this tent will provide you with comfort, protection, and peace of mind. Number 1. Naturehke 8.5 Air Inflatable Tent. The Air Inflatable Tent isn't your typical tent, it's an inflatable, easy to set up, designed perfect for a hassle-free camping experience. With a unique inflatable, self-supporting structure, this tent is designed for fast and easy setup by just one person. Simply inflate it with the included pump, attach the wind ropes and pegs, and you're ready to camp in about 3 minutes. It saves you time and energy, leaving more time to relax. The Naturehike 8.5 Air Inflatable Tent measures an impressive 137.8 by 94.5 by 76.7 inches, with plenty of room for up to 4 people. The tall 76.7-inch ceiling even lets you stand up and move around easily. Whether you're camping, hiking, or at a festival, the tent's generous space makes it perfect for families or small groups. Let's talk about protection. This tent is made with high-quality 150D Oxford polyester and a special anti-UV silver coating that offers UPF 50+ sun protection. It blocks up to 99.99% of harmful UV rays and keeps you safe from the sun in warmer months. It's also designed for all seasons, with a waterproof rating of over 3,000 millimeters. So, whether it's rain or shine, this tent is built to handle a variety of weather conditions. Another fantastic feature is the tent's double-layer design. It comes with an inner tent and a rain fly, both of which can be used separately. If you set up just a fly, you've got a spacious canopy for up to 6 to 8 people, perfect as a sun shelter. Or use the inner tent alone as a screen house to stargaze in the summer. This versatility means the Naturehike tent is ready for anything, whether you're looking for shelter from the sun or a view of the night sky. One of the best parts about this tent is its ventilation. The inner tent is made with high-density mesh fabric, which keeps mosquitoes out while offering 360-degree airflow, reducing condensation and keeping you comfortable all night. With 5 mesh-screened windows, you'll get a great view of your surroundings while staying cool and mosquito-free. So, if you're looking for a spacious, convenient, and versatile tent, the Naturehike 8.5 Air Inflatable Tent is an amazing choice. From quick setup to all-weather protection, this tent has you covered. There you have it, the 5 best Naturehike tents. Each of these tents brings something unique, whether you're looking for ultralight convenience or spacious comfort. Let us know in the comments which Naturehike tent you'd choose for your next adventure. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more camping gear reviews. Happy camping!